Hi everyone, despite the growing pandemic infections and the death toll all around the globe, the markets are ready for preparing reopening of the economy in US and of course Europe. The hopes were actually filled by the vaccines that Gilead actually have tested. There were some positive notes that the reaction to possible infected people had good results. Together with the Fed announcement that they will use their unlimited power to print money, so using their bazooka to support the market, made that yesterday the dollar came under pressure and the risk-free sentiment went up. So all major indexes globally had a rise. We will see if this is sustainable or not for the coming days. Together, supported by the good results of Facebook, Google, Amazon and other big techs like Microsoft, fueled the markets even more. Despite on the other hand, you have the losing end like Boeing, Volkswagen, Ford announcing major losses. Today we have a lot of news. If you saw yesterday's news of China's PMI in manufacturing and services, it turned out to be positive. Despite it all, there's still a weak demand globally. Yesterday evening, President Trump gave an interview with Reuters, starting to attack China again, fueling the fear that the trade war is just around the corner. So that might temper the risk-on sentiment. Earlier this morning, we had some negative news from Germany, France and Italy, growing unemployment, lower retail sales and lower confidence of the consumers. This afternoon, we're looking at the ECB announcement about the rate that they decide to do and how they will support the economy even further, as it seems that the package now on the table with trillions is not enough. Later today, we're really curious how the unemployment claims in the US will evolve. If there's a huge rise, what we expect, there will be over 30 million people unemployed, and how this will impact the sentiment in the markets. One thing's for sure, coming quarter will be one that's really volatile. So take good care on the short term, but also on the long term. Just look at gold, look at the indexes, the dollar, and mainly also the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are on a rise, meaning that risk sentiments are still there. Checking out, be safe, namaste.